Unlock the floodgates of potential clients for your real estate business with these advanced Propstream lead generation strategies. Propstream is your Al-Anon powerhouse for finding motivated sellers and valuable investment opportunities. But are you truly maximizing its lead generating potential? Today, we're diving deep into how to go beyond basic searches and cultivate a consistent flow of qualified leads. Step 1. Master advanced search techniques instead of broad searches. Get laser-focused. Think about targeting properties with specific triggers that indicate a motivated seller, such as foreclosures, tax delinquencies, or inherited properties. Utilize filters for equity levels to pinpoint homeowners with significant capital to reinvest. For example, searching for properties with over 50% equity and a recent probate filing can reveal individuals needing to sell quickly. Play with different combinations to uncover hidden gems. Don't forget to save these advanced search criteria as custom searches for easy access. Step 2. Integrate for targeted marketing. Once you've identified your ideal leads, it's time to outreach. Connect Propstream with your CRM or email marketing platforms using tools like Zapier. This allows for automated follow-up sequences, personalized marketing campaigns, and efficient lead nurturing. Imagine automatically sending a tailored postcard or email campaign to every new foreclosure lead that pops up. This automation saves you precious time and ensures no potential client falls through the cracks. Furthermore, leverage Propstream's powerful data analytics to understand market trends and identify neighborhoods with high growth potential. By understanding these trends, you can proactively target areas with the most promising investment or resale opportunities, expanding your network and attracting both buyers and sellers. By implementing these advanced search and integration strategies, you'll transform Propstream from a data tool into a lead-generating machine. Start applying these techniques today and watch your real estate business thrive.